So this is what I'm having for lunch. I have some fresh spinach, some feta cheese, and some cranberry granola clusters. They're Ocean Spray brand. And then for dressing, I actually have a raspberry vinaigrette. You can hear Logan listening to Chris Jones in the background. But I have this raspberry vinaigrette, sugar-free, and it's also fat-free. It's the Maple Grove Farms brand. So you can see there it's 0 grams of fat. It's also low carb and, of course, 0 sugar, and it's quite delicious. This is my new water bottle, guys. Bought it the other day. I have one similar to this, the purple one that I use, but this one's bigger. It's 32 ounces, I believe, 28. And the main reason I got it is because it's the hot cold insulated, and I'm so sick of drinking warm water because our faucets here aren't even cold anyways. So the coldest I can get this water, it will keep it cold so I can actually feel refreshed when I drink it. And it has one of these caps, which is the kind that I like, and one of these handles. So I like my new water bottle. I'm gonna try it out today. Nature's Table. I got the Carnita protein bowl, a side of orzo, and some carrot, apple, and ginger juice. And then Logan got the Thai red curry bowl, and it's delicious. And it's hard to eat healthy when you're at this mall because they have everything, but gotta do what you gotta do. Hey guys, so it's a new week and we had a good weekend. We went to the beach on Sunday. We went to New Smyrna Beach. We also went to the mall, and I got a new pair of shoes that I'm going to show you guys soon. And we went to the beach, and I kind of slacked on filming a little bit. Didn't do a lot of filming, but I'm going to show you guys the clips that I did film right now.
Sun Sports at 1 p.m. Make you love me. Handout. Special thanks. We don't. Pretty much the top destination for porn on the interweb. Well, they have announced the launch of their new on-demand internet streaming service. It's where music history is.
Homes.com.
Tornadoes and tweets.
And snack food to keep your kids fueled up for every.
New Smyrna Beach. We've been here once before. We went in November. It was freezing. So now it's a lot warmer, obviously, as you can tell. There's quite a bit more people here than in November. So we're going to get our suntan on and test out the water. So we had a lot of fun there. That's a cool little beach town. It's very small. It's like half hour. It's a half hour south of Daytona, and it's a nice little beach town. So that was a good day. And I did get very sunburnt because I actually laid out like just on the towel with no sunscreen for like an hour. Probably not a good idea, but I needed to get a tan as it is. So can't really see the sunburn right now in this light, but we're gonna be going to the gym later. We're not gonna be doing a lot of filming because it's kind of exercises you guys have already seen recently. So we're gonna do a little bit of filming at the gym, probably not filming the workouts, but that will probably be all the filming that we will be doing for the rest of today. So these are my new Nike 4.0 Flyknits that I got at the mall last weekend. So I got a new pair of shoes. They were much needed. And I got them at Finish Line, and it was really hard for me to decide what kind I wanted. They had 3.0s, 4.0s, 5.0s. So I tried 3 and the 4s on, and the 4s just fit like perfectly like a glove. And I didn't like the look of the 5, so I didn't even try them on. They kind of looked like you were on a platform, like the soles were way bigger, so I shouldn't like those. And here's a shot farther away. The teal color really attracted me. I usually like purple, and I was looking at the purple, but when I put these on, I was like, I'm definitely getting these. So we went to the beach this weekend, and we got really sunburned, as you can tell. I'm wearing this very dramatic sports bra. I put it on and then I realized it didn't match, but it hurt too much to put it on, so I was not changing my bra to match. But it hurts to do anything or to move, so it's gonna suck working out today. But it's worth it because now I'll be tan.
Show me your tan lines.